Hey everybody, this is Deb, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the theme on your Pinterest page. But before I do that, if you haven't done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're made aware of all the how-to videos that come up. So let's go ahead and open up that Pinterest page. We're going to go to our profile page. And up at the top right, you have those three dots. Go ahead and select them. When you do that, this menu will come up. The very first item is Settings. Click on Settings. And then on this menu, the third one down is Account Management. Select that one. The third one down on this menu is App Theme. Select that one, and at the bottom, this menu will pop up. It has system default, but you can choose light or you can choose dark. And there you have it. So, very simple. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Would love to have the conversation with you. If this video was helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. The YouTube gods really love it when you do that because it tells them, hey, you liked it. And as I mentioned, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. See you in the next video.